So hey everyone, welcome to the channel and happy 2019. Glad to see you popping by here. And as always, thanks for subscribing and liking the videos here. I've really been appreciating that. And I'm glad that I'm bringing out some content that's interesting to people. So I wanted to talk to you today. It is, let me see here, it's January 4th, 2019. And you might notice some difference in the sound quality here right now and also some difference with the background. I'm in my new studio location, so some things are majorly changing here on the channel. Number one, I'm no longer a full-time Airstreamer. So from 2006 through 2018, I've spent over a decade of time living full-time in an Airstream and traveling with that Airstream. 2018 was not a good year for travel. A lot of things came up, both health and medical wise and just personal timing of things. The Airstream didn't get on the road much, and if you're going to stay stationary in one place for an extremely long time, it starts getting difficult to do that in a small space. So with that in mind, after the whole carbon monoxide incident, which many YouTube channel followers might not know about, over on my audio podcast right after Thanksgiving, there was an incident where it led to us getting carbon monoxide poisoning. Not a fun thing to do. So we started looking for rental properties, found one, so we're starting to move things from the Airstream into this rental house. And I've got an entire room for the new studio, so I'm pretty excited about that. And things will improve, and I know the audio quality is not going to be the best today and that there's going to be some echo in there. I'm going to try to deal with that as best I can, but bear with me as we're transitioning to this new location. So what's going to be happening on the channel in the near future? There's still going to be travel. There's still going to be mobile tech tips. I've got 10 years of experience with mobile technology. Not to mention, I was a telecommunications engineer and then network operations manager. And I've done it all when it comes to telecom. So I do have some insight into that, and we're going to be talking more about telecom and mobile tech. We're also going to be talking a lot about drones, and we're going to be talking about some of the client work I do. So we're going to be speaking about photography and photo editing. We're going to be talking about drones, both video and photography, as well as a lot of autonomous drone flight, because that's really got my interest right now. And it's something that's very sellable to clients. So we'll be going through that together. So photos, editing, drones, mobile tech, and the software that goes along with it. Like the screen that I'm in right now. I'm being a wise apple and putting this up into both the Lightroom and Luminar screens. So I'm having a little fun with that as you see the transitions there. So upcoming videos, we're going to be talking about drone flight and specifically autonomous drone flight. So given the reaction that I've gotten to the DJI Ground Station Pro series, we're going to be delving more into Litchi, DJI Ground Station Pro, Map Pilot, Pix 4D Capture, and Drone Deploy as Capture apps as well. We're also going to talk about some of my favorite apps, and that'll be in an upcoming episode, my top 5 flight apps that I use on my DJI Mavic Pro and my Mavic 2 Pro. We're going to talk about the pluses and minuses of all these, and we're going to be spreading that over the next couple of weeks. So if you've got some questions, if there are certain things you want to know about drone flight, and especially autonomous drone flight, go ahead and leave a note down in the comments here. Let me know what you'd like to learn about, and we will talk about it. I also have a Udemy channel, so at udemy.com, and I've got several videos up there, several classes. So we've got my Lightroom workflow class. We've got 3D modeling for drone pilots. It's a beginner's class. We've also got an intro to drone photography course as well, which is a very basic introduction for folks. And then I also have a WordPress and Xtheme website page building course, which does in fact tie into drone work, because if you're building your own drone business, most likely you're going to be wanting to get your own internet presence. You know, you're going to be doing the YouTube channels, podcasts, but somewhere along the way you're going to be building a website as well. So that might be of interest to you as well. And as always, in the show notes, I do have links to those classes, and I've got discounts for those classes. And you see the discounts when they pop up after clicking the link. So yeah, we're going to be seeing some big changes here on this channel, and this is just the Rich Charpentier channel. And we're going to be seeing some sizable changes over on Arizona Drone. So I have AZ Drone as well. And that channel is going to be used specifically for displaying some of the commercial work that I'm doing for my clients, but also for viewers. So if you haven't been over to AZ Drone, you might want to pop over there and subscribe there as well. But I'll always be announcing all of the things coming up on this channel. So if you don't want to be subscribed to multiple channels, I totally get it. And you can just subscribe and click that dinner bell below so that you'll be notified whenever these videos pop up. So what you can expect here is still some travel, and I mean that. I really mean that. Start of February, I'm going to be going down to Southern Arizona to work with clients. So I'm going to be doing some web work, I'm going to be doing some photography work, and I'm going to be doing some drone flight for a new community that's currently under construction. And I'm going to be doing some drone flight for an existing 55+ gated community. So several resorts down south of Phoenix, and that should be a lot of fun. So I hope you tune in with that. And the final productions, what comes out of that, that's what's going to be showing up over on AZ Drone. But how things come together, how I build things, how I edit things, how it all comes together and gets created is going to be right here on this channel. And I just bumped into my microphone. So I'm still working out the setup in the studio, and it'll be coming along. So I hope you stay tuned, and I hope you grow along with the channel. And like I said before, put questions and comments down in the comment section. If there's something you'd like to see that I haven't done yet, or that you haven't found anywhere else on the internet, drop me a note and we'll see what we can do. And I will always respond to you to let you know if I'm going to be doing that in the near future or not. All right, everyone. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you're as excited about the new studio as I am. And like I said, the one thing, I know there's some echo going on in here. We're going to get that worked out real quick over the next couple of days. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you on the next video.